Here I have Mercedes GLB, and let me show you how to change language in this car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here let's swipe a few times until you see the settings. Then choose the settings, so the car icon, and this is the standard view of the settings. As you can see, you can navigate here by using the upper tab. Let's choose here System, and under System, let's scroll down to choose Language. As you can see, this is the full list of available languages that you can use on the Mercedes-Benz GLB. Let me scroll down to the bottom. Alright, this is the full list. So let me switch language, for example, from English to Spanish. Let's tap on Español. And as you can see, now your whole system is in Spanish. If you would like to go back to previous language, to the English, let's choose English here. And the car is switching languages, so now you can use your system in English. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.